Hey guys, quick video for me today. Yeah, I've been using a lot of lenses for talking head videos. I don't do a lot of talking head videos because I don't have any content to show to you. But if I do, I have my own preferences, and I just want to ask, what's your preference? What's your take? I've used the 17-28 Tamron because it's wide. It's good for vlogging and everything else. I've used the 24mm 1.4, which is on the camera right now. I used the 35mm 1.4 from Sony. I'm a Sony shooter, so more of the lens I use is Sony. I was with Canon, but I left Canon. I've also used the 50 1.2, but it's quite far. And the 35 1.4 is good, but it's, yeah, I'm gonna end up far also. So yeah, I've tried this one here. It's the 20-40 from Tamron. It's a 2.8. It's good, but it's not there. If you want to look like bokeh thing in the back, so I always go back to this 24 1.4. I have the 24 f2 from Sigma, and it's good, but nothing beats the 24 1.4. I don't know why. I love it. I love it for talking head videos because it blurs my crappy background. As you can see, my background is just like shit out there, so that takes care of it, and it's good with low light, and it's a good lens. So I just want to I just want to ask what's your take regarding that one. For me, I love the 24. I always try to get away from that lens, and it always come back. Always come back. Love this lens. Not for everything though.